Hi guys, long time no see. Um, I decided to get this again, and I'm shocked to see that it's only Ipsy and not BoxyCharm anymore. But that's a whole other story. So I just got it today, so I figured I'd share with you guys. This is the first time I'm seeing it like this without it being BoxyCharm. Okay. Oh, look at this. They give us like a bag. That's cute. So everything is in this bag. So it's like, it's not, okay. It's not at all like a BoxyCharm. It's just all Ipsy. That's a cute bag. Okay. What is this? Sorry about that, my dog. Hair mask. Okay. All hair types with shea butter. Okay, that's cool. I don't know. Do they do the card? I don't even know. I'll have to look afterwards. I haven't done this in so long. Bright Star Creamy. Buildable coverage. Airbrush. Oh, concealer. Nice. Okay. Light nude. Very good, very good. That'll work. Detox dry shampoo. Oh, that's awesome. That's freaking large. Okay. Lovecraft Beauty Tubular Lip Tint. New Wave Nude. Okay. What else is in here? I think that's it. Do they do a card? Oh, I think they... Or something's in here. Oh, they do like a... It's not a card. It's like a paper. Passport to Play. I'm using one hand, so this is going to be interesting. What is this? Okay, so none of this is in here. I don't know what... Oh, sneak peeks. August. Oh, okay, gotcha. I thought it was the, you know, to tell me what the hell all this is. Maybe it's in the box. I don't know. Ooh, we got a palette. Oh, that is so cute. You're kidding me. Does that say Princessa? Because that's what I call my cat. That is so cute. Hold on, I need to open it. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, love that color. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. And I don't see... Yeah, they don't do that, I guess. I don't know, unless I'm reading it wrong. But I don't see anything on here. Yeah. So, yeah. Hope you guys are all doing well. Miss you guys. Yeah, it's starting to thunder here, so he keeps barking. I want to see this. Hold on. So it looks like that. Okay, so it's like a marker. Okay, it's like a tinted... Okay. That's interesting. Cute. I'm going to swatch this too. That's cute packaging. Okay, so it's one of these things, and I guess you just push on it. I'm guessing. Do you push on it? I don't know. Or do you turn it? Oh, you turn it to open it. Yep. Hold on. Okay, so you keep turning it, this piece, Like, and then it starts to come to the top. And that's what I got. Yeah, it's a good color. So that'll work for me. Alright guys, so that's what I got. I'm going to try to get back on here. Like I know I always say it, but when I have time, I will. I hope everybody's doing well, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.